You're a rebel, getting into trouble.
Hey friends, welcome back. So I went ahead and I made a post on the community tab and I asked if you guys would like to see a clean and rearrange of the master bedroom, and a majority of you said yes. So here you go. So I think, as you know, moms especially, we always put effort into our home, our kids' rooms, other rooms in our house, but I feel like my bedroom is always the one that is most severely neglected. I haven't done really much to my room in probably about a year. I mean, I clean it, but it's just always kind of a catch-all, you know? So here I am after a long day at work, and I was like, I need to get my life together. So I started just moving stuff. I kind of had an idea on how I wanted to move my furniture, and I needed help, so I called my daughter in, and I was like, hey, can you just help me for like 5 minutes? This escalated quickly, and this was a 3-hour project. But I went ahead, I started moving out furniture, and just, you know, I started sweeping up everything. You could see our house gets so dusty, especially now with the furnace going. It's just dusty. I don't know what's going on. So sorry, I'm going ahead and just moving everything out, sweeping up the floors, giving everything a good clean, and just trying to figure out how I'm going to get the most out of this space. We do have a small home. We have 3 bedrooms, and there's 5 people living here. My bedroom is also, I guess, my office and my beauty room, and it's our bedroom. So like I said, I have to make the best out of what I have. I feel like this is the most realistic thing. Not everybody has the extra spare room for an office and a beauty room and all this stuff. This is, you know, what I feel like a majority of our rooms look like. It's cluttered, and we got, you know, very little space. So I decided to, like I said, just move everything around. Did I do it the easy way? Absolutely not. Come on. I just decided to make everything harder on myself. So, yeah, let's just get to cleaning, and you guys can watch this poor catastrophe take place.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
So I had started moving the furniture around because I thought, hey, I'm going to put my dresser here. We've all done it. We've all sat in a room and looked and was like, oh, this will look good here. This will look good there. I'm going to put this. And then like you actually do it and you're like, oh man, I really don't like the way this is turning out at all. So yeah, this furniture is actually going to be moved around quite a bit. Just going ahead, sweeping up, getting all the dust and stuff. But I was trying, like I said, to make the room look more open, and I wanted to move my desk. So this is like the IKEA Alex desk. If you know anything about these desks, they're not actually attached to the drawers. It just sits on there. I could have been smarter and probably taken everything off the top of the desk and, you know, did it that way. But of course I didn't. So here is me and my daughter. And if anybody has ever done this with their parents, and, you know, look I'm already acting like my mother. Like here I am doing this whole, like, this is how we're going to move it. We're going to move it on this angle, like I'm a professional or something. My poor kid was done with me probably about 30 minutes into this because you had to be so careful, and I was worried about dropping my computer. But again, I could have taken everything off, but in true Danielle fashion, I do everything the hard way. So comment down below, how many people remember doing this with their parent, where it was just help me for 5 minutes, move this piece of furniture, and it becomes a total like remodel, like rearrange, and it just gets out of hand so quickly.
Morning comes at night. I don't understand. You and I so different now. We are always, always on the edge. Hearts are open wide. Different yet alike. You and I so different now. We are always, always on the edge.
So now that some things are moved, but don't worry, they're not going to stay this way. I know I'm probably going to get some questions on that box that I put underneath my bed. That is my mom box. My mom bought it for me for my baby shower with Reya, and it's just something I've always had, and I keep all my little trinkets from my girls as they've grown up, baby pictures and such. So yeah, I'm going to start cleaning off these dressers. I have this beautiful like glass tier tray. I actually thrifted it like maybe 2 years ago, and I use it to hold all my perfumes. It's so dusty, so I'm going to go ahead and clean that off. I'm going to clean off all the perfume bottles. I am using that cleaning vinegar solution that you guys had seen in my last cleaning video. Still absolutely obsessed with it. You guys are going to see how well it actually cleans this wood dresser. This dresser is very old. We do need some new bedroom furniture. It's on the list, you know, as with everything else, but it's still in really good shape. It just probably could be, you know, sanded down on the top. But I actually got this when I graduated high school with my graduation money, and I'm going to be 35 next month, so it's not too bad of shape, I can say. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get this dresser cleaned, get everything together, and just try to get this project done. So I got this Tiffany's bowl for our wedding, and it's like a candy dish. You could tell I'm not like the ultimate bougie type because I don't even keep candy in my house. So we just use it for like pieces of jewelry. We put our wedding rings in there, and you know, whatever trinkets we can find that are on the dresser. So yeah, that's what I do with that big old expensive Tiffany's bowl. Thank you for whoever got it for us, because there was never a name, but thanks.
there's something about the way you.
So I'm going to go ahead and start getting this bed cleared off. I did go ahead and get some new sheets. I actually purchased a down comforter. I've never had a down comforter, so me and Leo were like really excited. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get all these blankets off and just, you know, get rid of them. I mean, just like bring them downstairs, wash them, you know, save them for, you know, another time. But yeah, so I went ahead and actually received the sheet set, and it is from a company called Bedscape. And these are like really nice and fancy, guys. I've never had like fancy sheets before. So anyways, just a couple pinpoints about Bedscape. They are an American brand. They're out of New York City. And they are produced in one of the oldest Israeli textile factories. The collection is available on the site. It's very classic and timeless. The sheets are made of 100% long stable cotton and available in 2 different fabrics. I got the sateen fabric, which is a 350 thread count. They have no chemicals, no GMOs, and they are Okio Tech Standard certified. And they are offering free shipping and returns in all U.S. orders. They are super affordable and fancy. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and leave a link and a discount code down below. But here we go again, moving more furniture. Reya was so upset with me because I just did not like the way the desk looked right there. I felt like it looked so cluttered. So I usually keep the top of the dresser pretty clean. So I was like, look, let's just move it here. There's this face, the face of defeat. Like, why did I start this? Am I the only one who starts something and you're like, I don't want to do this anymore. I'm over it. That was me. So I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning out this dresser. We are almost at the end of the road here, and I'm going to get my desk cleared off. This is my desk for like I do my videos and stuff. My husband also does a lot of work on this desk. So yeah, I actually got rid of that printer and just put it underneath the bed for when we don't print that much. So when we need it, it's just right there. It was just taking up too much space. I also use this to get ready in the morning with all my makeup. So I need my space, girls. I need my space.
Make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical. Whoa,
All right, we are all done. Thank God, because I was over it. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of give you a panoramic view of my room. Look at this fancy like bedding, guys. I was like, okay. I had these purple pillow covers downstairs, so I decided to throw them in just to add a little pop of color. These little stands on my walls, guys, they are bracketed into the wall, and I tried to take them down, but they would have been huge holes. So I was like, look, they're going to stay right there. But here is my desk. I have everything nice and clean and dust free, and it just, I don't know, I feel like it's really inviting. Yeah, I mean, it's cozy, it's practical. So my sister came by and she gave me this tree, and she's like, look, you need to go ahead and put this in your room, give yourself a little touch of glam, because I know you don't really do it. And I love it. It is a fiber optic tree, but she lost the plug, but I don't care. She gave me all the little ornaments and stuff. I mean, it's so pretty and girly, and I absolutely love it. So thank you, Sissy. I added a few Christmas decor pieces, these little votive candles. I have a bunch of them that you will see in my home tour. And yeah, so I have my room all clean. I am really looking for a area rug for my room. I was told that I can find one on Black Friday. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Give me a big thumbs up if you guys have been exactly where I've been in this video. All right, guys, have a great Thanksgiving, and I will see you on the next video. Talk to you later.
Trying to escape, and here we are, driving narrow streets in a rusty car, leading to the sea, think we're getting close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose. I remember every day,